In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue of information entered is invalid on your DV lottery application status check. If your DV lottery application is showing invalid information, it could be due to errors in the information you provided. Double-check all the details you entered to ensure accuracy, especially regarding personal information and eligibility requirements. If you're still unsure, it might be best to contact the relevant authorities for assistance. Many people go wrong on this tab of last or family name. You don't need to put in all your two names. Just enter your first name only. Let's say you are Morgan Walker. You just have to enter Morgan because it's the first name. I wish you good luck as you're checking your application. That's how easy it is to fix invalid information on your diversity visa lottery application. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.